Getting your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, especially if you are a new content creator, sometimes it can feel quite impossible. But what if I told you that you can have your 1,000 subscribers just in the space of 30 days, even if you just started your YouTube channel this year? So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact trick and blueprint that I use that so many other content creators there also use for them to gain their 1,000 subscribers in the space of 30 days. But however, stay to the end of this video because I've got some bonus tips that I'm going to show you, which are 5 bonus tips I'm going to show you that will boost your channel even faster. So let's dive into these tips that I'm going to show you. First, let us look at some of the biggest mistakes that new YouTubers made when they uploading their videos. Mistake number 1 is by uploading random videos without a clear plan on that video. What does this mean? By switching from one topic to another when creating their videos. And when you're switching this topic, posting one topic today, tomorrow you post another different topic, you create confusion to your viewers, not just your viewers, so also to the YouTube algorithm, because they won't know what your channel is for, what your content is for, what you're trying to promote on your videos, because everybody gets confused. So in this sense, what will work best? Make sure you pick a particular topic, that is one topic that you need to stick on, what you want to promote, what you want people to come over to your channel to be watching you, because they know this is your topic, this is what you are talking about on your channel. Because you know YouTube favors people who are very, very consistent. When they say consistency, that is you choose a particular topic, you focus on a particular topic that you are talking about, that you are promoting, and this will allow YouTube to recommend your videos because they know this is your topic. So each videos they send to the right people, they know you are preaching the same thing. YouTube will look at your videos and find the right content to push your videos to. But if you are promoting or talking about or switching to different topic, you get the algorithm very confused, you get YouTube very confused, even your audience that they will get confused. When you stick to one particular topic, YouTube will promote your videos because they know you focus on just one topic only, and YouTube will find the right audience to push your videos to so that people will continue to watch. I will give you as an example. Instead of you posting vlogging today, like maybe you're going out, see some pictures or see some beautiful trees or whatever it is, you just post it randomly. And then the next day you started talking about how to grow your YouTube channel. And then the other day you start talking about how to cook. Or the other day you talk about gaming and everything. So you are not consistent enough with your topic. So choose one particular topic. So how do you ratify this? If you cannot identify a niche, if you don't have a niche, that means you don't have a topic. Sit down, take a notepad and a pen and write down maybe like 5 to 7 titles. Look at what people are struggling. You're looking at your audience type. What are they requesting for? What does your audience like to watch? What are your audience wants to look at? So you choose on those 5 to 7 topics or niche. And then you can see, okay, this is the niche that is broadened. Or you look at YouTube, what topic is trending on YouTube? Whatever you see that people are looking, audience like watching, those are the niche that you have to focus on. You choose one niche. If you look at YouTube and you see what are the topic, what are the trending topic that is circulating, maybe you choose 5 to 7 topics. And then out of those 5 or 7 topics, you look at what topic is more relevant, what are people watching more, what is the niche or what is the topic that is generating more views that people are engaging with. And then you look at those 5 or 7 topics that you chose, you see which one that people are really, really engaging with. And then you focus on that particular trend because you know this is what people wanted to know, and this is what people are requesting for, and this is what people love to watch. And make sure when you're creating your videos, always your click-through rate is very, very important, because when your click-through rate is not high enough, you will never get those views that you wanted. But when your click-through rate is very high, this is how YouTube will promote your videos. Remember, YouTube doesn't recommend your videos anyhow. It's people or viewers, your audience, are the one that will recommend your videos, because the more they click on that videos, the more views you have on that videos. This will allow YouTube to recommend your videos, because if you don't have a click-through rate on your videos, then YouTube will not recommend those videos. But when people click on your videos, watch your videos, this will allow YouTube to recommend your videos. So always remember that your thumbnails, you have to optimize your thumbnails. Always optimize your thumbnails so that you can have that high click-through rate on your videos. And don't forget to include your title as well. So thumbnails and title always work hand in hand, because when your thumbnail is very attractive enough and your title is very attractive enough, this will allow people to click on your videos, and YouTube will recommend your videos based on the click-through rate, how high it is. And how do you get an attractive titles for either your thumbnail or your title? So I'll give you as an example of how you can generate a good title as well as a bad title. A bad title can start like, if you say how to start your YouTube channel, that doesn't generate any curiosity, because everybody will say how to create a YouTube channel, how to create a YouTube channel. That is very, very generic. People put it there, is very, very generic. It is not that curiosity. People will not find it very curious to click on it, how to create a YouTube channel, because it's everywhere. Everybody stated the same title. How about if you rephrase it this way? Do this before you start your YouTube channel in 2025. So this will create curiosity to your viewers. They will think, oh, what is this that I have to do before I start my YouTube channel? So you created a curiosity on that viewer to click on your videos to see what is this you should do before you start doing your channel. Do this before you start your YouTube channel. So they want to know, what is this that I have to do before starting my YouTube channel? So that is the way how you can rephrase it. So the tip for thumbnail is create a very eye-catchy thumbnails. Make sure that the title is bold and contrasts, very bright color, and make sure you have a maximum up to between 3 to 5 wording on your thumbnails. Maybe just 3 words on your thumbnails, and you make it very bold, high-catchy. And the picture that you're using on your thumbnail, make sure that your facial expression indicates what the video is. Give like a surprising facial expression, or an exciting facial expression, or even a shocked facial expression. It depends on what the title of your thumbnails represents. Make sure your facial expression also represents, that can indicate a curiosity on your audience to click on that thumbnail. So the ideal is, before you even start your video, make sure you brainstorm like 2 to 3 titles of your video. See which one works first. Maybe you can ask your friends, your colleagues, your family to look at what title works best for this video that you're going to choose. And also you can use those titles and look at the search engine optimization, your SEO. Go to Google or go to YouTube and look at your title. Does this title have any keywords on it? Or your thumbnail's title, does it have any keywords on it? What are people searching for when they are searching the search engine optimization? Does this word, your title, does it reflected on the SEO? So those are the things you need to look at. So when you're creating a title for both your thumbnail and your title for your videos, make sure it included keywords on them. This can make it searchable easily on YouTube or the internet. And another thing you need to bear in mind is, make sure you produce a very engaging videos. How do you do this? Make sure your videos engage well with people. When people stay in your videos, they watch it. YouTube favors and also reward watch times hour. Where would you get your watch time hour? The longer viewers stay in your videos, watch it through. This is how you generate your watch time hour. The longer they view, the more watch time hours you will have. But how would you get it? By creating a very engaging videos, interesting, that people will love to watch. They will love to come back over and over to watch your videos. So how do you do this? How do you work on this? Always your introduction. Your introduction can either allow people to stay in to watch you through, or to click out of your videos, because your introduction is the key on how people can stay or they can click out. So make sure your introduction, you optimize your introduction. You make it really, really high catchy, sensitive, surprising statement or a question. Whatever you make your introduction, make sure your introduction is very optimized enough that people can stay and watch you through on their videos. I will give you as an example. When you're creating your videos, like when you're starting your introduction, rather than coming in and start saying, hello, hi there, my name is blah, 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 and then you start introducing about yourself, about what your channel is for, you will kill viewers' retentions. They will click out because they don't want to hear about you. They came to their videos because of the title and the thumbnail of their video. So how about if you start your introduction this way? You are making big mistake that is killing your YouTube growth. Let me show you how to fix this. So if you start your introduction like this way, you are creating curiosity to the viewer because they want to see what are the mistakes. Maybe they are not aware that they are making mistakes into their YouTube channel. So, but when you started your introduction like this, you create curiosity. So nobody knows if they are making mistakes. So they will sit down and watch you through, see what are these mistakes that I'm making. I think I need to listen to these videos. Maybe I'm part of them because everybody wants to grow on YouTube. So when they hear people are talking about mistakes, everybody wants to learn so that they can implement it onto their YouTube videos and channels as well. And also, don't forget posting consistencies. When they say posting consistencies, it's not like everyday posting. Make sure at least you find a time frame that you are posting. If you're posting once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week, make sure you be consistencies of posting weekly. Don't post today and then after a month, nobody sees you. That is not consistencies. So you are not building trust to your audience there because they won't trust your channel for coming there because they know you are not consistent. But if you're consistent, even if you're posting once a week, twice a week, or 3 times a week, make sure you give them those videos. This will allow people to come into your channel to be watching you through, and then you build a trust with your audience as well as your community. And even YouTube favors people who are very, very consistent. This will allow YouTube to promote or recommend your videos to audience there because they know you are trustworthy, you are uploading videos on the certain times, and you are consistent. So now the bonus tip we're going to talk about here, one of them is generating short. Short, yes, I know. Short intends to go very viral there. Make sure every of your long form videos create a short version of that video. Sometimes audience retention can be very, very short, so they won't be able to watch your long form video. But when that's short, you create a short form videos out of that, your long form videos, it tends to go very viral there, and YouTube will recommend it to a broad audience there. So, but if they want to watch the long version of that short, give them a related video that will lead them to come and watch the long form videos. This is another way to generate view count as well as you are hacking the YouTube algorithm there. They will promote your videos more and more. When you create short tends to go really far. This will lead audience to your YouTube channel to come and watch if they are interested on your content. This will lead them to your channel to come and watch your long form videos. Another bonus tip is try to challenge yourself. Challenge yourself like posting for 30 days. That is when you have the time. Create like a 30 days challenge by posting videos every day for 30 days without missing a day. That is another way you can generate more viewers, more audience there, and you build a community there. People will start engaging to you because they're seeing you appearing every day on their feeds. People can see your videos on a daily basis. You would create a trust on your audience. They will keep on coming in. This is another way to create more views, more subscribers. People will come into your channel because they know you are uploading every single day. So make that 30 days challenge posting. You will see the difference. You won't just generate subscribers, but you can also, your watch time hours will also increase within that 30 days period. This is a very big bonus. This is how you can generate more subscribers. And also always encourage people to subscribe on your YouTube channel. Like in the end or at the middle of the videos, always call to action. Ask people to like, to subscribe, or to make a comment. Engage with them through the videos. Let them engage. And when people comment on your videos, make sure you respond to those comments. Don't just leave them there. This is how you generate audience growth, and this is how you build trust with your audience, and this is how people subscribe to your channel. And another bonus point is your first 48 hours of your new videos, that is when you just upload the videos, is very, very crucial. When you upload the videos, that first 48 hours, if you don't have enough view on that video, YouTube will sense that this video is not value enough because people are not watching, people are not engaging on this video. So the first 48 hours is very, very crucial. So sometimes when you upload the videos and you haven't seen those views, you have the right, you can promote your own videos, you can share your own videos. How do you promote your videos? You can share your videos to other channel links, which is you can share your videos to either Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Share your videos so that people can watch, and you can generate traffic. People can come and watch through that video. This is how the more engagement, the more views you have on that videos in the first 48 hours, this is how YouTube will sense that this video is value enough, and then they will recommend your videos to more audience there. So this is very, very important. Make sure you share your videos, promote your videos as well. Sometimes I know, yes, we said, let's wait for YouTube to recommend your videos, but you can start as well. If you see that your video is not doing well in the first 48 hours, you're not getting views, promote your videos by sharing it to other social media link out there. And the last bonus tip is try to go live. When you go live, that is using live streaming, this is also very, very important. You don't just generate audience there. You don't just get audience coming to watch you. You don't just get subscribers, but this can also increase your watch time hours. So you get audience retention, you get more engagement there, you get more subscribers there, and as well as your watch time hours will also increase when you go live. That is when you're doing live streaming. And if you implement all what we went through, as well as including this bonus tip, you will see the difference it will make. And this is how you go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers just in a space of 30 days. Don't just watch this video. Make sure you act upon all these tricks and tips that we went through. And let me know in the comment section below if you find this content very helpful. And please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more, and also don't forget to turn on the notification button so that each time I upload a new video, you will be the first person to know. I will see you on my next video. Take care now. Love you all. Bye.